How to install and enable HEVC on Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily install and as well as enable HEV extension on Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open any one of the browser and then you need to go to Microsoft Store. After that, there you need to search for HEVC extension. Once you search for the extension, you simply need to copy the URL from the top. After copying the link, now you need to open a website named AdGuard. Once you open this website, you will see a place where you can paste the link which you just copied. After you pasted the link, hit the enter icon and in the next page you will be able to see the latest version of HEVC extension. Simply click on the link and it will be downloaded shortly. After the file is downloaded, simply enable the extension in your device. So that's it. That is how easily you can install and enable HEVC extension on Windows 11 device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.